Welcome to Zaanse Schans, a picturesque village in Zaandam in Netherlands. This is a residential area in which 18th and 19th centuries of Dutch life culture is brought back. One can reach this place by taking a bus or train from Amsterdam Central Station. It takes about 30 minutes by bus. Zaanse Schans attracts 1 million visitors a year and is one of the most loved attractions of Netherlands. The outside is open to view without paying admission. Opening time and entrance prices vary at each workshop, museum and windmills. The weather was very cool the day I visited. It started raining afternoon. You can easily spend a full day here in this Dutch village. The souvenir collections here are amazing. Here are some glimpses at Wooden Shoes Museum. Traditional Dutch wooden shoes or clogs are an important part of Dutch heritage. This gentleman here explained us about the old craft of making barrels.
The plank is used that way to make planks into staves. You first make an inward angle on the whole stretch of the plank on both sides to make it round. Then you make the top and then the bottom end into a topped up triangle to make sure you can get an egg shape. Then every stave is uniquely made, so therefore if you change the order of the staves, your barrel won't fit perfectly together. Unique. So therefore you make them, you mark them. After they are made and marked, they are still straight and they are put in water until they are fully soaked. Then they are, after some time, they are fully flexible and can be arranged in a so-called crown of staves. You can see the crown of staves over there.
At the farm, you can also attend a professional demonstration of cheese making. Cheese making is an old Dutch guild, just like woodworking, wooden shoemaking, casting and distilling liquor. These gorgeous ladies helped me in trying out the traditional Dutch costumes and it was so fun.
You can separate the threads from each other, so you get an opening between the two layers of threads. You need that opening for your shuttle to go through, so you throw the shuttle like this, and then they pull the machine one time, like this. Now you see there is still space between the new and the old thread. So they would switch their pedals, you see, there is space between the two threads. So they would switch their pedals again and then pull the machine 2 times extra. And now it's closed. And then they did the same thing on the other side. Pull the machine once, switch the pedals, and do it. Basically that is what the men who worked here did all day long, 6 days. They worked from sun up to sundown, so in summer sometimes 16 hours a day. In winter it was less. It was hard.
Let's now see how a windmill functions. I also recommend this windmill cruise. The audio commentary gave a good insight of each windmill and was quite informative too.
The mayor and his wife used to live here as well. And shall I reveal something to you? Their maid, she's my sweetheart. Join the one and only Zaanse Schans walk by the Daily Walking Theatre. My sweetheart is waiting for you on a little square on your right-hand side. In 76, I was built as a strapping boy, but I was still blown down by a whirlwind in 1925. They wanted to demolish me.
Few glimpses of the biscuit and the chocolate factory at Zaanse Schans. Finally, a visit to the Time Museum at Zaanse Schans. So it's time to say bye to Zaanse Schans.